Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2013 Porsche Cayenne. Connecting your phone via Bluetooth is very easy to do, as the straightforward instructions on the touchscreen menu make for an overall hassle-free procedure. The power steering fluid reservoir is relatively quick to find towards the right of the engine, with easy access to its cap and a dipstick that's simple to read. Monitoring its fluid levels should be a breeze. Though you may need a tool to pry off the one in the rear, both the front and rear wiper blades disconnect from their arms with relative ease, allowing for quick changes whenever necessary. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. For the headlights in the main housing, you'll need a specialized tool from the jack kit to disengage its housing and pry it out for access, while others, such as the side marker and the fog lights, will require a tight reach through the wheel well lining, making for convoluted access all around. The engine air filter is tightly wedged into the right portion of the engine bay. Multiple panels and the hose will need to be disconnected before the housing itself can be removed, which will prove to be a very tedious and time-consuming repair. The entire driver's seat will need to be disconnected and pried out of the way in order to access the battery, which will require many tools that you may not have readily available and prove to have an overall cramped and obstructed access. Overall, the 2013 Porsche Cayenne is a very difficult car to maintain, and is only recommended for those with the knowledge of or the patience for vehicle maintenance.